15 miles south of the Phoenix Airport is one of America's foremost producers of hard alloy shapes for the aerospace industry, Kaiser Aluminum Alexco. Kaiser Aluminum Alexco's recipe-controlled manufacturing process delivers small and intermediate hard alloy shapes that meet or exceed the exacting mechanical property standards of every major airframe manufacturer, earning it the first ever NADCAP certification for an aluminum extrusion mill. Kaiser Aluminum Alexco features 4 extrusion presses, with billet container sizes ranging from 5 inches up to 10 inches, and specifically engineered dies capable of producing over 17,000 aerospace profiles. The Kaiser Aluminum Alexco mill can produce small to intermediate hard alloy extruded shapes up to 42.5 feet in length. Shapes that will ultimately become critical components for today's most advanced aircraft. So let's take a look at the extrusion process with an insider's tour of Kaiser Alexco. Starting with an aluminum billet. At a Kaiser certified casting facility, each billet is ultrasonically inspected and cut to a specific length to maximize productivity and minimize waste. When billets arrive at the mill, they're reviewed and tested to confirm proper alloy composition, then heated to a tightly controlled temperature to begin the extrusion process. Once the precise temperature is achieved, the billet exits the oven and goes directly to the extrusion press, where it's extruded through a hardened steel die under millions of pounds of pressure. The heart of the extrusion process is the die.
Our two-stack is the first operation of our extrusion process. Our two-stack includes a die, a backer, a bolster, and a sub. This is our die, which is the first initial tool that the aluminum extrudes through in our extrusion process.
As the billet enters the press, a hydraulic ram forces it through the die, the backer, the bolster, and the sub-bolster, creating a long aluminum extrusion that takes the exact shape of the die opening. After the extrusions leave the press, they're bundled and lifted into the vertical heat treat furnace and heated to a precise temperature for a predetermined time to transform the alloying elements to the desired metallurgical structure. Then, the extrusions are lowered into a water glycol solution that rapidly cools the aluminum and locks the metallurgical structure in place. Heat treating and rapid cooling can cause a buildup of residual stresses in the extrusions, which are relieved by stretching the extrusion beyond its yield point. This process not only aligns the stresses, it makes the extrusion stronger. After stretching, the extrusions are cut to length and inspected. If needed, it's off to de-twist or roll, then re-inspected for flatness and twist. Most aluminum alloys take years to reach peak strength naturally. By using an aging process, at Kaiser Alexco, we can bring the extrusions up to peak strength in a matter of hours instead of years. After aging, test samples are taken from each lot and brought to the QC lab. Once the lot passes final inspection, the product is lightly coated for protection against the elements and carefully packed. Then it's shipped just in time to the customer. Kaiser Aluminum Alexco leads the hard alloy shapes industry in overall quality, delivering the shortest lead times in the industry, utilizing advanced tooling and process controls, achieving ongoing certifications for new aircraft parts, with a singular vision focused on the future. This spirit of continuous improvement demonstrates Kaiser Aluminum Alexco's total commitment to our aerospace partners worldwide, making us the supplier of choice for small and intermediate hard alloy shape extrusions. Our aerospace customers rely on Kaiser's capabilities, product consistency, and on-time delivery, because to them, the material matters.